Now you're gonna want to be careful opening this up. But you're gonna have nice. Oh, look at that. It was mid-October in northern Michigan, and the world outside was ablaze with the fiery hues of fall. There's something about the fleeting beauty of autumn that draws you outside, compelling you to soak it all in before winter claims the landscape. We were eager to lose ourselves in nature's vibrant tapestry. However, no good road trip begins without a bit of indulgence, and for us, that meant powdered donuts that would inevitably leave a mess.
Cross your fingers. My card machine was been
Oh man, I do have cash, so.
Chuck Valentin's not the greatest. I'll tell you that much. Well,
Thank you. You too. As we ventured deeper into Michigan's Upper Peninsula, we took in the rolling hills, sparkling lakes, and endless forests, each more breathtaking than the last, until we finally arrived at our destination, eager to immerse ourselves in the beauty.
You walk across that?
In the distance, a gentle rumble grew louder, drawing us forward. The air was crisp and clean, each breath feeling like a renewal, as we moved through the towering forests of Michigan's Upper Peninsula. Discovering hidden gems throughout the trail was one of our favorite parts, making us feel connected not just to nature, but life all around us. Tahquamenon Falls awaited us. Its flowing waters both powerful and serene. Here the river splits into two, creating the upper and lower falls, each with its own energy. With mist in the air that rose up from the falls like a light touch on our skin, making the moment feel like a dream. We paused to take it all in, captivated by the amber hue that spilled over the rocks, earthy and rich. the sun dipped below the horizon and the air started to chill, we headed back to our campsite to settle in for the night and enjoy some warmth by the fire.
So what exactly happened here? Break it down for us.
So we just had some leftover pizza. That's the pizza in the fire. And obviously you have to warm it up, so just toss in the fire. But we're really gonna redeem ourselves by getting it out of the fire better than our soup video. Then we'll never get them out. Babe, this is about to bust.
All right.
Gotta get the dirt off.
Tell me the technique here. What are we doing?
You just use these.
Okay.
It's like little chopsticks and grab it.
You've done this a time or two.
Yeah. No. Our dinner. See? Now you're gonna want to be careful opening this up. But you're gonna have nice. Oh, look at that cheese ball. Nights like this make it hard to go to sleep with so much beauty around us to take in. Eventually, we tucked ourselves into our cozy sleeping bags, settling into the stillness. In the morning, we enjoyed some hot coffee and breakfast before packing up camp to start our long drive home. Ooh,